How about, hey guys, Joe from Joe's Golden Garage at the auction today, and I have found a diamond in the rough 2007 Lexus LS460 with 414,000 miles. Holy shit. Got nice Michelin rubber. It looks pretty good. Let's take it for a little start and a drive, shall we? Let's see how this baby starts and runs. Ooh, a little noise, but not bad. Looks like we gotta see what these warning lights are. Well, we got a check engine light, check VSC system, check AFS. Look at that, 414. I tell you one thing, holy crap, cold air. I mean, that thing is cold. Jeez. It's not a bad looking car, really. I mean, the door, you know, we got some wear and tear going on, but the seats, look at these seats. Yeah, it looks like we got a little, it's really not bad. Somebody forgot their garage door opener when they traded it in. This is a trade-in at the Toyota store in Chattanooga. I agree. There's our nav. Shit, let's see if we can take this one for a little drive, shall we? Man, I mean, it does have a couple of warning lights on, but it runs really well. Ooh, man, it's got some freaking power. I don't have a lot of runway to stretch her legs. Sorry about that. Plus, we got other dealers walking around here. I don't want to run over anybody. Runs pretty good. The only complaint I might have is, I mean, it's got tons of power. It seems to only want to do the 1-2 shift. Well, no, it went to third. No, it went to fourth. Holy cow. It's got some get up and go. It does need a motor mount. I heard the motor hit the hood. But this thing looks pretty good. Let's do a little walk around. Look what else is back there. Yeah, these door panels seem to be cracking. That's the roughest part of the car. Well, I can tell by the check engine lights on. O2 sensor. Ooh, I can smell it in the exhaust. But those Michelin tires look almost new, and the body looks fantastic. Tennessee Volunteers, come on. This is a beautiful car. I mean, if you wanted just some cheap transportation, honestly, I would probably just drive it like it is. With this many miles, just drive it. It's a timing chain vehicle. It does need a motor mount. Good Lord, it needs a motor mount. That just hit the hood again. But, it is a damn good running car. Damn good running car. You know what? Look at that Toyota Land Cruiser. Where the hell? Okay, I'll be back.